garbage, especially plastics, have polluted our oceans more than we'd like to admit. Plastics have worn down into microplastics, and microplastics down to nanoplastics. Nanoplastics have the ability to infiltrate the cell membrane of fish and then onto the food chain. In order to combat the problem of nanoplastics, we have to first address microplastics. Our machine collects microplastics down this path. Now, this works ranging in bodies of water ranging from ponds to oceans. And we feel like that not enough action has been taken care of to combat the pollution of oceans.
Okay, so our device has two different compartments, the top one and the bottom. The top one has a density lower than 1, the bottom one has a density greater than 1. This will keep our device afloat, and since plastics are hydrophobic, they will all be at the surface of the water. So our device uses the current of the body of water that it is in to passively collect plastics. So we have a fan at the bottom that vents water outwards. So when water enters, it will be pulled downwards towards this direction. There will be filters in the middle of it that will sort the plastics into different categories. These will be the compartments that will store the plastics. So when water comes down, it will travel this way, here, and also outwards towards this direction. We have a tracker at the top, we have strobe lights at the bottom, and potentially we may add mealworms to the bottom, and that the mealworms, since the plastics are so small, mealworms are very efficient at consuming the plastics. Our product is unique in that it can passively collect plastics and potentially dispose of them.
So this machine is first and foremost an environmentalist tool. So the only thing you really need to be able to do is turn the machine on, which will turn the fan on, and it will start venting the water. And so basically you are able to just toss this or throw this into any body of water, and using the currents, it'll be able to just drift around and passively collect the plastic throughout the day. And then at the end of the day, you can take it up and then dispose of the trash and plastics into their designated locations. So this machine has two big environmental issues that could potentially happen. And so the first one is that it harms fish, or fish are attracted to it and they're curious. So we have strobe lights at the bottom that are able to basically ward the fish off so that they don't come near it. And even bigger fish should be able to be scared off by this so they aren't harmed by it. The second thing is that these get lost into the ocean and you aren't able to find them, so they essentially become trash. And so what we are planning to do is add a tracker at the top so that you'll be able to track this where it is in the ocean and collect it at the designated time that you want and dispose of all the trash that's been collected. Thank you.